Hello, guys.
We've got a new account here.
Called Random Masters Gaming. So,
I'm probably going to
gamer.
be joining
soon. So that's just
Roblox.
we're playing Granny right now. Now it's 7 minutes left. I hate this one. Run! But because the faster because I upgrade every round mainly. I won about twice now.
I'm playing, I'm taking it.
No,
like Lily.
no, no. I don't want to look. She got me. Oh, guys. First round, she got me. Should I pause it? Nah, I don't think I need to. Stop pushing me. Oh yeah, I need to reset. Reset. Look at your bloody diarrhea. Game over. What's this? I don't know what this means.
I think that's your speed.
Yeah, that's no time. Speed. I don't know. It's just what take. She's got the blood.
Why is it taking forever?
She's got the blood dress, not fair.
I mean, why is it taking forever?
Let's just look. Where are you going, darling? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Roblox.
Ha, you got killed. You got killed.
Roblox seems to be being very mean to me.
I'm dead.
Roblox! Hurry
He's actually
up!
doing pretty good.
Why is Roblox being mean to me?
All you need to do is reset. Let me just type it. Reset. When.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be here a while now.
Reset another.
You
You set.
gonna last forever.
Yes! Finally.
Good girl.
No,
I'm gonna be here
I
for
want
a
the
few
house.
years, guys. I'm sorry about that. Yo, man.
Yes, it's the house.
So,
Vote.
subscribe to our other channel, Random Masters. We probably get the link in the description down below. And if you can hear like bubbles, it's the fish tank. Because we've got 3 fish, Nemo, Bubble, and Goldie. I've had them for about 3 years, I'm not really sure.
Yeah, and we got some 2 new fishes. Which are not fishes, but yeah, I forgot what they're called.
They're things that actually breathe, okay?
Yeah. Yay. It's rained.
God, why is Roblox taking for aim for? Why is everyone glitching?
You always do that. When it's actually, you might think it's them, but it's actually you.
I know.
Like, oh, I'm not glitching.
But why would someone think everyone on the server's glitching? Like every single person.
I think I'm in, I don't know where I am. I'm in the toilets.
I hope that's not the girls.
Probably this is the boys.
No, they're all the same.
Yeah.
People are like gender, that's in Roblox. That's how it seems.
Just whack my face right in.
We're not turning the volume
I forgot,
down.
I dressed up as a girl, because I
You
think I'm still a girl. I think I'm still dressed up as a girl.
Okay, you should really turn the volume down.
Yeah. Mute. Wait.
Guys, I'm gonna be here
Oh
a
god,
while.
oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm crawling.
Guys, I know where I'm gonna be here a while. Okay, there we are. I'm coming on. Hopefully.
I'm dead.
Okay, there we are.
I
should
just
be
saw the
coming on.
drill.
Oh yeah, I've got Granny on my phone. It's free to download on the App Store.
Yeah, so download it. It's the bestest game ever. She got me. Just don't look.
Sorry for people with headphones in.
Yeah.
Why is my speed?
My
If this is speed, oh no, I think this is your percent how long it would take until you would be Granny.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So
Yeah, it's the percent how much you'll be
wait,
Granny.
I'm playing. I'm in the game.
I'm gonna play. I'm respecting.
Can you spectate me?
No, probably won't. Wait.
What?
No, dude. Because
Granny?
you're. I think it's because you're just loading. It's still not loaded.
I know. Granny.
Look at
I
this
thought
dead.
you were my only friend.
Oh, it looks like it's stabbing in her arm. Wait.
Oh, yeah,
It's stabbing in her arm or armpit. Ugh. Granny, come on, quick, this is intense. Oh, look at this, so creepy. Come on, hurry up, run. No.
Sorry for people with headphones in.
Oh, so. R.I.P.
Okay.
Well, I hope Granny gets this.
You set your character.
Look, no, do you know movies when they like change to the evil person, then it's like to the like the person who's trying to say something, and it's like dum 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 dum. She's dead.
You dead.
You're dead. Play. I'm 100%. Oh no, I'm 62.
Okay.
You lost connection with the game. I'm not just as a girl. You.
Oh no.
And this is my other thing.
I may have turned the internet off, guys.
Care about guys.
Accidentally. Okay, it's time to record.
This is my new account mainly. I had it about January probably. I don't know.
Yeah, I know. You got it when guests were gone. Whatever.
And disappeared into the
Yeah, people are gonna think like.
Well, it's still on mobiles.
They might be gone now. I would have to check if I could.
Yeah.
I'd have to go on my phone to actually see.
And guys, I had like this account on this computer as well. It's a different computer, just saying. But can I tell you what? I was so glitchy, and I had like one leg chubby, one leg skinny, one arm chubby, one leg skinny, and I had that egg because on the Easter hunt thing.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I don't know why I was glitchy, but then I got a new account, and then I was not glitchy at all, which is this one. I was not glitchy at all.
I remember on one of your other accounts, your account was Tom LL.
Yeah, that was my first one ever.
Oh no.
Tom LL 123. That's my very old account. That's the first time ever.
Yeah, that was your first ever attempt.
Yeah, I was like, no, when you were doing it.
Since 2 years,
Yeah, probably 3 or 2, 2.5. Mainly 3 actually, because it's almost.
Yeah, it's pretty much been doing.
Yeah.
Years. I don't really know.
Like 2018's actually been pretty fast. Because it's mostly going to be.
Oh, I'm looking into the boys' bathroom.
Oi!
Like everything glitched out.
Where are you?
I was looking into the boys' bathroom, and it was the boys.
How do you know?
Because I couldn't tell.
Did they have the posters? Like, did it have like the girl? Granny's there.
No, it's this.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Granny behind you. Sorry with people with headphones. Rest in peace for you. For your ears, probably.
Granny even coming. Where are you?
Granny's like.
Hi then.
No!
I didn't see she got me. Oh, she just fell over.
You're in the boys' bathroom.
I died in the boys' bathroom. Myra in the toilets there.
How's someone in there? Like,
terrible.
see that head? Is it fake?
No! Okay, R.I.P. me.
I love your lipstick, Granny. I want to kiss you and then I get them. Or is it blood? Did you used to be a nice lady or were you always like this? Never.
Granny looks messed up.
Mm.
Messed up, baby.
Quick, no, it's gonna start. The gun's gonna start. Play. Aw. Seriously? No, same thing there. It's only you.
Wait. Oh no, there's someone else. Oh no, someone else. No, there's someone else. No. Egg. Aggie.
Come on, hurry up. Just come on and die.
Yes, I'm Granny. You little
Rascal.
people, what are you doing in my...
Someone's literally just standing in the closet
Think.
for ages.
You, Granny, wake out.
Hurry up and escape, guys. We might as well pause the video.
Where are my dentures?
Because let's pause the video now. So yeah, guys, I think we've done it. Yeah. So we're in another round. I speak like it says to vote, and then it actually never changes, even if there's 0 votes.
I know, right?
That is just like, let's just choose this one. We hate the office. It's so hard. It's so hard. I think the house is the easiest because you know where the fins are. Mainly because that's like the top fin. When I'm the granny, I'm going to have a voice saying like, oh, Jimmy, I could kill you. We're glitching so much. Probably. I'm waking up. I'm Granny. Oh, Jimmy, boy, where are you? I will kill you. I'm coming for you.
You wanna play hide and seek? No, I'm stuck. I know.
Grandma,
Help.
do you want some play hide and seek? Get out of the boys' bathroom. She
Help.
died in
I'm
the
stuck.
toilet.
Help, I'm stuck.
Oh,
Oh, we're the same
I will kill you wherever you are.
Granny is stuck.
Found you.
My granny is...
So yeah, guys,
help. My granny is stuck.
Wanna play hide and seek?
I'm just in the air, I don't know.
I see you.
Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna leave the game now.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna end this video. Right?
Remember to like,
Subscribe and turn on notifications.
and subscribe to our other channel.
For the Random Masters.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the next video.